Good morning, students. The next step of a speaker is that to organize the speech and delivering the speech as per the organization to the audience. So there are some points, there are some steps which we need to use during the organization and delivering of our speech. So you can see on the screen that the first step is that organize your speech, means you have to write 3 or 4 main points of your speech which you want to remembered by the audience, which is the main points, which is the clearly which points you want your audience to be remembered. Next is summarizing each idea in a single and clear sentence, means you have to make the clear sentence which make the summary of the your complete lecture, your complete points, your complete topic should be covered in a single and clear sentences, and that sentences should be supported by the examples. Third point is saying that write your speech. Before delivering the speech, you must write your speech in short and clear words. Use of sense of humor is also good, means you don't have to just speak the topics only. It's better to use some jokes or some punchy lines within your topics which make sense, and the jokes or punchy line always should be related to your topic, related to the speech, but never makes more jokes. Also write the main points in a cards, 3 by 4 cards, so that in meanwhile if you want to recall them you can easily recall them. Rehearse your speech before delivery. Before going to deliver your speech, it's good to rehearse the speech and match the time which you need to deliver the speech. So the same time should be used while you are going to rehearse the speech. Look at the audience is always good. Make an eye contact with your audience, and it make your audience confident that you are there for them. And last, deliver your speech. While delivering the speech, make sure that the voice of your tone should be slowly or loudly as required. For the some sentence you need to speak slowly, for some sentences you need to speak loudly. So always as per the requirement you have to make your voice up or low. Thank you. It's the end of the speaking, and in next class we will further discuss about the communications. Thank you.